Good afternoon, this is Trish from Networks Computer Solutions here again, and we're looking at session 3 on our look at Google Slides. So today what I want to look at is how you can import presentations from Microsoft PowerPoint, and we'll also have a look at how you can use Slides Carnival for different layout ideas. Okay, so let's get started first with importing from PowerPoint. If you work at an organisation that uses Microsoft PowerPoint and you don't have PowerPoint at home, you might find that you need to edit a PowerPoint to do with work. So what you can do is you can actually design your PowerPoint at work in Microsoft PowerPoint. And so we'll just do one very quickly here. Leave that one, add a new slide, graphic on this one. We'll fix up spelling mistakes in a moment. Hang on. Not me if I don't make spelling mistakes. Where's the coffee? And we'll see if we can add a picture. That'll do for now. So I'm just going to call this one coffee. So file coffee, and we'll leave it as a PowerPoint. Okay, so I've got this particular one saved. I can actually close PowerPoint now. But anyway, that'll do for today. So jump on over here to Google Drive. Now I'm just signed in. So as you can see, all your files and folders are stored in your Google Drive. You can either click on the New button over here and go to File, Upload, and then select the file you want to use to upload. Or you can go to your folder on your computer, find the file that you want, and then just drag and drop it in. And you should get a little pop-up on your screen to say that it's uploading, and there should be a progress indicator over here. So here is our coffee PPX that we made. So let's double click on that one, and you can see you can actually open it inside your Google Drive, and you can also open it with Google Slides. So it will work exactly the same. You can edit this now, but once you go and save it, remember Google Docs and Google Slides all save automatically once you start editing them. And once you've saved this and made some changes to it, it will actually save it as a Google Slides format. So you can actually run this through PowerPoint. So there's a couple of other options if you don't have Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can still download really good looking templates, because as you've probably seen, the ones that come with Google Slides are not the best. They have some issues with looks. So we can use a company called Slides Carnival, and we can just look through here at different particular ones. Let's see if we can find one. We'll go inspirational. The Woodville presentation one. Let's try that one. So we'll click on the Woodville, and you can actually go to download a preview, and you can also download this if you do have PowerPoint on your computer. But if you don't and you want to use it as a Google Slides theme, you can use the orange option, and that will open up directly into your Google Drive. And then if you go use this template, it will actually open it within Google Slides so that you can edit it. Now each of these templates come with different layout options. As you can see, as I go through the different slides, they have different layouts you can get to, and you can just change the pictures and the text, the same as with any other slideshow presentation. This particular one also includes some add-ons that you can get with Google Docs, so you can also add these add-ons into your Google Drive. So it just makes them available through the add-ons options. Another option you've got for creating slideshows is Canva. I have shown you Canva before. So let's just go back and have a look at making your own presentation in Canva. So recommend that you have a Canva account, even if it's the free one. You do have great options. Now Canva is really easy to use. Let's just try this one here, this blue design and technology. So you can just select the slide that you like. You've also got the option to apply all 26 pages. So that will add all of their 26 different layouts into your presentation that you can then go through and edit and change the pictures. So Canva is a great option. You can also animate these individually. And you've also got the option to present the slideshows that you've made through Canva directly from Canva itself. So if I click on present, and I can go standard type or autoplay or presenter view. We'll just have a look at the standard for a start and present view, and you can see that you can actually, it gives you a little, this one gives you a little counter on the screen that you can move around and show you where you're up to. So that's not a bad little option. Escape out of that. The other option you've got, as with all Canva documents, is that you can actually save this as a website. You can save it directly into PowerPoint yourself, so you can download a Canva template as a Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and then upload it into your Google Drive for sharing. There's lots of different options, or you can download. If you do go to download it, you can either download it as a video, or you can download it either as all slides as individual images, or you can download the whole thing as a PDF, either in standard or in a higher quality PDF print. So there's lots of different options. We'll come back to Google Drive because I wanted to show you some of the add-ons. So if we come back to add-ons, document add-ons, and we've also got the extensions font, icons, social slides, and unsplash images. So we've got lots of different options. You can also get more add-ons by clicking the Get Add-ons option. So there's lots of other add-ons that you can get to add more things to your Google Slides. So have a look at these and see if these will be of any use to you. And have fun fiddling, and we'll see you online next time. Thanks. Bye.